guys, welcome to Code Vedanam. Today we will learn how to push notifications in Android. So let's start with demo. You can see there is no notification from our app till now. Now just click on this push button and you see there is a notification from our app. Okay. Without wasting much time, let's go for coding now. First of all, add a button with height and width of wrap content. Now give text as push notification. And now define the on click method. On click and give method name, so push. Now press Alt Enter and generate method. Choose the activity and our method is generated. For Android version Oreo and above, we need to create a notification channel. So create a condition if build version SDK end is greater than equal to build.version codes dot Oreo. Okay. Now create a notification channel equal to new notification channel. Now we have to give a string ID. This ID will be used when we create our notification. So, and give a name. Now we have to give a importance. I am giving default importance for now. So notification manager dot importance default. Okay. So we have created a channel. So now we need to create notification manager so that we can register this channel. So notification manager equal to get system service and class the class name notification manager dot class. Okay. So now manager dot create notification channel and pass the channel here. So we have created our notification channel. Now we will create the notification using notification compat.builder. Notification compat.builder equal to new notification compat.builder. Pass the context and pass the notification channel ID here, my ch. Okay. So this channel ID and this ID will be same. Okay. Now we set this small icon. And I am using inbuilt icons. So android.r.drawable.notify. You can use any icon and let's use a sync for now. Okay. Now set content text, content title first and pass the string here. So I am setting title as first notification and now we call set content text. This method will create the body of the message. So This is the body of message, and that's it for now. Now we need to create reference for the notification and notification manager compact. We will use notification manager compact class. We are using notification manager compact class because we want our notification to work on lower versions also. So now create a reference for the notification. Now we build the notification using this builder. Notification equal to builder.build. This will create the notification and return it. Now we instantiate the notification manager compact. So notification manager compact equal to, we use a static method from notification manager compact dot from and pass the context here. This will create a notification manager compact and return it. Now we just notify the notification using this notification manager compact. So notification manager compact dot notify and give a integer id. So this integer id is uniquely identifying your notification in the Android system. So notification, and that's it. This notify method will push your notification to the Android system. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Please visit our blog. This is the URL codevedanam.blogspot.com. And if you learn something new, please hit the like button and subscribe to Code Vedanam for further new videos. Thank you.